All right, let's continue the previous topic. Again, I'm Ning. I'm here to talk about star stories in the Career Corner. Um, as I said, I was listing examples. So if this lady was asking halfway through, so the lady was asking me where this item is. I said, um, here at the A aisle upstairs at this corner at that way. And the lady still looked a bit confused, and I said, you know what, I understand this is a new store and things could be quite confusing. Why don't I just take you right up there? And I basically showed her or chatting with her while going up the stairs, making sure she's following me properly, and get to that aisle, and I noticed there's nothing there. So it's an empty shelf, which happens quite often. So I informed the lady, unfortunately right at the moment we don't have anything at the stock at our store, but how about I check if others locations have this item if you're willing to travel. And the lady said, unfortunately I would need to leave town within the next few days, and I don't think I have time to go at Coquitlam or this location. So I said, no problem. Would it be okay if I put your name and your phone number down, and once we have this same item in stock, we'll put one reserved for you and we'll call you right away to see if you're available to pick it up. And she was quite happy with that, although she was obviously not as happy to have what she wanted when she came in, but I was able to kind of handle the situation as best as I can. And finally the lady left the store with a happy big smile and say, wow, I'm so grateful you go above and beyond and making sure I was doing okay and did all these steps for me, even though you look so busy. You got so many people calling you on the caller or walker. We have a walkie-talkie. So she was really grateful and become a long-term customer at our store. That would be, I guess, I used my skills of customer service, problem solving, and communication skills to reassure the customers and making sure she become a long-term customer. And pretty proud of that. I want to continue contributing the same kind of skills to your company. Okay, so that would be a quick example of how to go above and beyond. But if you have anything about, say, for example, problem solving, you could say things like, there was once a customer trying to return a item, but without any receipt. He's getting really upset because the front desk cashier wasn't able to explain things very clearly. So once I got the call from the cashier, as I was a manager, I politely apologizes and stated clearly what our policy is and offered him an alternative solution, such as, do you want to take something that's similar and replace it instead? And how we do it is also, we can track, because the customer actually have our credit card, so we can track down his record by looking through our system. And we were able to reprint a receipt and basically go through the procedure and making sure our company doesn't lose money by offering him an alternative solution there. In the end, he was quite happy. I offered him a Starbucks drink while I was doing everything. So he's happy, I'm happy, we didn't lose any money, and he, again, continued visiting our store and become a long-term customer. So I utilizes my skills in communication, problem solving, and professionalism to solve this whole issue. And later on I even coached the cashier about what to do next time, and she was really grateful for me to aiding her for that instance. So there you go. That will be kind of it in terms of my star stories. Obviously I didn't have time to prep, I just sort of give you a quick example here. If you do have time, please go ahead and sit down at home, write down situation, task, action steps, and results, and try your best to stick within 2 minutes at most, so that and you shine some spotlights or highlights around your action steps. That's the best way to go. All right, so there you have it. That will be the star story strategy for behavioral questions. If you have any further questions or comments, or if you like to learn anything else, feel free to leave comments below, and subscribe and follow my future videos. All right, I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.